Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Yamamoto Anime Vanguard, full guide. First, organize your play area and separate Vanguard, rear guards, and triggers for quick access. Next, build a deck focused on synergies and clear roles for each card type so draws feel meaningful. Practice drawing and mulligan decisions to learn pacing. Stay calm and test combos in casual matches to see what flows best in real games. In this video, I will explain how to use Yamamoto Anime Vanguard, full guide. Learn core mechanics like stride, trigger timing, and how support affects attack order for reliable plays. Focus on position management so your front line and back row create consistent pressure. Keep an eye on damage and resources to time comebacks without risking defeat. Practicing these fundamentals will make your plays cleaner and your strategic choices clearer. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like so I can keep making helpful content. Quick recommendation. A book called The Simple Path to Wealth changed how many approach resources, and it pairs well with learning game, budgeting, and investing in your card hobby. It's a simple read with practical advice, and I think you'll enjoy it. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will explain how to use Yamamoto Anime Vanguard, full guide. Start deck building by picking a clear theme and adding search and draw tools to reduce variance. Keep your grade curve steady and include the right number of critical and trigger units to maintain tempo and kill potential. Add 2 or 3 flexible tech cards to handle niche threats, then test and tune your counts after several practice games.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.